We'll guide you through how to sign into Netflix using a phone on a Hisense VIDAA TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and start watching Netflix on your TV, your favorite TV shows, movies, and even watching new content as well. And you want to go and find the home button. Go and press it. Now you want to go and find the Netflix app, so you can scroll down and here it is. You may need to go and scroll along further. I can easily go and find in this case and click on it, and it's now going to go and open up. Just going to be patient. You can see here that it's now loading. Also, I've got my phone here. I am doing this on an iPhone, but you could use an Android. It doesn't matter. We're keeping this guide broad. So shortly, we're going to be taken to the login screen. Now shortly you'll be brought to this page here. What you want to do is go and tap across and go and press sign in. So at the top, you can switch between use phone and use remote. In this case though, we're going to be using our phone, so we'll make sure we have that selected. Now come onto the phone like so, where there's an iPhone and Android. Open the camera app, then you can point at the QR code. You should go and get this pop-up here. If you don't, go into your settings and find camera, and you can then go and enable scan QR code, but it by default should be enabled. Confirm the code, we can go and see that's the same, and we can go and press continue. Then I need to go and sign in, so enter your email and mobile and password. Netflix will then go and reload. As you can see, just go and be patient. Here we are. Then what you can do is go and choose the profile and you can start using it.